Ladies and gentlemen, in our break, please welcome out your game announcer with Lockheed Martin and the Orion spacecraft, Barry Bohnsack.
All right, so we are in between quarterfinals and semifinals, which means we have a small break, which means I have a moment to talk to you as I often do. I come down, I wrote out everything I'd like to say. It took about 20 minutes of speech, so I'm just going to give you the key points of what that speech would have been. Number one, first is awesome. Number two, I am a FIRST alumni. The many of the volunteers you see here are also FIRST alumni. If you are a FIRST alumni volunteering or in the stands as a mentor, stand up, wave your arms, make some noise. Where are you guys? These are the people that have chosen to stay involved after graduation and continue because they were inspired and they now wish to inspire you. Number three, engineering and science is awesome. When you come and talk to us, when you come into the FIRST events, you hear people talk. You're going to hear from deans of engineering and people in the field, engineers in the field, and they're going to tell you how awesome it is to be an engineer. I work with engineers all day long, and they tell me how satisfying it is. And they make bucas of money. Yes, it's okay to cheer for making bucas of money. It is okay. Takeaway number four, I am not an engineer. What? I am a finance major. I went to the University of Central Florida. This year I graduated with my Master's of Business Administration. I was on a FIRST team in high school. My team was Team 1604 from Harmony High School. We were a group of 20 students, and we looked forward all year. My best memories of high school is coming to the Orlando Regional and sitting in the stands and watching my robot compete. And in fact, we were in that old arena. I was sitting in the same seats, just in the other arena, as you are sitting now. The entire team of 20 people all wore umbrella hats, which is why I still wear mine today. All right, seniors. Oh, one more thing about that. You guys have all known me for multiple years. You've known me pretty much through college. I wear the spacesuit. I come to these competitions, I promote the space program. I love space, science, and technology as much as any other person. That's what you need to know. I cheer for it as like it's my own sports team. I go to the rocket launches even if they're at 4 a.m. If you are a person and you are planning on going into science, engineering, technology, please do, because the people in FIRST, you students, are eventually going to go on and do something amazing. Cure AIDS, make an engine that doesn't pollute. The possibility that one of you guys or anybody else in the FIRST program is going to go on and do something amazing, almost a guarantee, because look how many of us there are. For those of us that are going to go on and not do engineering, FIRST taught me many things, not just how to build a robot, but how to market, how to run a company, how to make buttons, how to do public speaking, and how to cheer for something as if it were a sports team and they're just machines running on the field. How cool is that? So all of you guys that are going on to do something other than engineering, we want you to stay involved because you matter just as much, and your skills that you're going to learn and go on and do with your lives apply back here to FIRST, and we want you to stay involved and use those skills and bring it back to us as for the rest of your lives. At this time, I would like all the seniors, please stand up. This is your moment. Seniors, please stand up. Teams, I would like you to thank your seniors for their many years of service on your team and congratulate them on their impending high school graduation. Seniors, you are about to become FIRST alumni. Every one of you, take out your cell phone and send me an email right now. I am the founder of the Florida FIRST Alumni. We're working on creating a statewide network of FIRST alumni. Send me an email at floridafirstalumni@gmail.com if you wish to stay involved. Let me tell you a little bit about the program. I was spending a lot of yesterday with the VIPs and the Executive Advisory Board. And the Executive Advisory Board to connect you guys back to them. We're going to work on getting internship possibilities and tours of some really cool organizations. I'd like to show you a 1-minute video of the tour we just had last December at Lockheed Martin, where we invited all the alumni to come and ride on the simulators at Lockheed Martin, and we introduced them to the college recruiters. Please play the video. are the opportunity we're now starting to provide to our first alumni. We're hoping to provide, we have a LinkedIn account, come join us. We're going to start doing more opportunities like this, introducing you to our sponsors and get you more opportunities as you graduate so you can continue to go and become the leaders of the high-tech workforce. I would like to announce our next big thing that we're going to be doing. I work on the Orion spacecraft now. I've now achieved my dream. I'm working at the freaking Kennedy Space Center. The spacecraft we're working on right now is about to go to the moon. We're going to the moon! We just had our first test launch in December. It went up, it came back down 20,000 miles an hour, burned up 4,000 degrees, landed and came back safely, and achieved every objective. Here is the tour that we are working on providing for you right now. Seniors, after you graduate, this summer, we are going to have a tour at the Kennedy Space Center where you're going to get to see something awesome, possibly the VAB, possibly a launch pad, and I'm working on it right now so you can go see the Orion spacecraft that launched into space. Join the program. We're going to have cool opportunities for you. Back to our MC, Dan the Man Richardson.